Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men?
Now my woman's got a heart like a broadcast down in the street. Now my woman's got a heart like a broadcast down in the street. Seems like she can love everybody and mistreat for me. Now I cooked her breakfast, even carried it to her bed. I cooked her breakfast, even carried it to her bed. Now she take one bite and throw a teacup at 4 pints of bed. I done spend my money till my bank account's done got low. I done spend my money till my bank account's done got low. And she had enough to tell me, pints up, you got to go. Now I combed her hair, even manicured her fingernails. Now I combed her hair, even manicured her fingernails. Every time I get in trouble, she let me go to jail. I'm gonna buy myself a graveyard of my own. I'm gonna buy myself a graveyard of my own. I'm gonna bury that woman if she don't let me in alone. I can't use no woman if she can't help me rob and steal. I can't use no woman if she can't help me rob and steal. Wake up early in the morning, can't eat a decent meal. I'm going down on State Street just to buy me a gallon of booze. I'm going down on State Street just to buy me a gallon of booze. 'Cause my best gal done left me with these pints of blues.
never tasted. How's it going? Did the magnet work?
Yeah, just shove it down in this thing.
Did a headache spoil a day for you?
It's dark, I
Are you
can't see
still
anything.
feeling a little miserable
Oh,
and
cool.
upset? Well, of course,
They're that
it would have
small?
been wise to
They
take
just-
Alka-Seltzer at work earlier in the day. But don't wait
Is that the
now.
new one?
Take it right away. And
It's
next
not very
time,
dirty.
remember that Alka-Seltzer is first aid for relief from headaches. Alka-Seltzer is easy to take, pleasant tasting too. Here's all you do. Dissolve 1 or 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets in a glass of water, then drink it. Since Alka-Seltzer is a solution when you take it, the pain-relieving analgesic sodium acetylsalicylate is ready to go right to work. And say, that fizz that creates thousands of sparkling bubbles gives speed to Alka-Seltzer's relief-giving qualities. Yes, it gets there fast to give fast relief. So remember, first aid for relief from headache is Alka-Seltzer.
Feeling fine this morning, all evil and feeling fine this morning, all evil and an evil-minded man will keep you evil-minded. Some folks get evil, or there's nothing else to do. Some folks get evil, or there's nothing else to do. They get mad at someone else and take the spite out on you. If you try to be good, man, we'll make a fool out of you. If you try to be good, man, we'll make a fool out of you.
Start here, here,
But if
here,
you're
here,
evil-minded,
here.
But isn't it dangerous for me to hold that?
And you're just going straight line, as straight as you can. Okay? You do it.
Like that?
It's pretty straight. Did you get through? You didn't get through that one. Push, 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 push. Good.
But there's a good excuse they've got when their mysteries move you.
Good job. You're doing great, girl.
Call me bad luck, call me anything
You go like this. Here. And then we're going to set them on a piece of parchment paper. Do you not want to do that?
I don't know. I think I want to because I want to feel the dough.
Okay. Here. Twist it.
Like this?
Yeah, good job. Alright, I'll cut these and you can twist them then.
Whoa!
Ajax cut 3 faster than any other leading cleanser.
Use the pain, the elbow back, when you
It's like twisting a towel. Because I twist them in the shower. Like this?
Yeah, it looks great.
I want to put them in the closet.
I got
This one's
that
not
right.
quite twisted enough.
Foaming action Ajax makes even the dirtiest hand shine like new in a jiffy.
Oh, use Ajax.
What are you making? What are you making?
Like
More than anything else, just dry meat to make sure that
I have about that Titanic that went down. It was the last night Titanic fare you well. When the Titanic had started low, the captain he hollered all aboard. It was the last night Titanic fare you well. John Bethel came ashore. Everybody wondered what that noise was about. They cried, "Ferry, Titanic fare you well." They found the Titanic had broken in half. They cried, "Ferry, Titanic fare you well." When Mr. Smith received the sound, he ordered the lifeboats down. They cried, "Ferry, Titanic fare you well." Then from the men they raved and cursed when the captain said women and children all free. They cried, "Ferry, Titanic fare you well." It was out.
We interrupt this episode to bring you exciting news about how you can support small businesses. Stay tuned after the show to learn more. Are you tired of losing your spot in your knitting? Would you like to add some unique handmade items to your accessories? Look no further than Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products. From stitch markers and progress keepers to earrings and necklaces, handmade in the central United States, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists and lovers of the arts. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and U.S. printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have something you will love. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving. Notions and accessories, handmade just for you.